Okay, this is my BMW. Today, just a very small project. You can see we've got BMW badges on the nose. There's BMW badges on the side. And of course, as you'd expect, there's one on the back. But mine has worn away. So it sort of flaked off. We've got the M left of the BMW. Now, normally like on the front, you can pop off the whole emblem and remove it. But this is actually the door handle, and since I don't want to really make the entire assembly disappear, I plan to just replace or update this. So I actually bought some BMW, it's a simple thing, I bought some BMW stickers. We're gonna see if they've matched up perfectly, and hopefully they'll fit. The sticker that was on here originally, actually there might even be a piece in my trunk. Yeah, here you go. Here's a small piece. Sort of almost transparent and thin. The stickers I have are opaque. If it was an exact match like this, I would be scrubbing off the entire emblem here, and I'm sort of thinking about it, but it's so flat that I think we're gonna be okay just posting it straight over. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. We're just gonna see if we can update the back of the Beamer. Okay, so for reference, BMW has a whole lot of different emblem sizes. This is just about 69 millimeters is the space in which it goes. I've got 69.36 listed right there, but obviously it has to fit inside, so being a little bit smaller here. There, that's what 69 looks like. Okay, 69 millimeter. And here are my stickers. They are 69 millimeters. Great. Okay, so hoping for a perfect fit. It's one of those things where it's going to be extremely close because I'm measuring this with a micrometer. So if I don't line it up perfectly, it may, let's say, smudge it or go up on the ridge because there's a socket almost that it's set into. But I'm going to peel one off and we'll give it a try. Okay, so here's the back of my emblem. We're going to replace, these are the stickers I have. These ones are actually from Germany. We'll see if that makes them anything better, but they've got the 3D curve to them. They're 69 millimeters, exactly the same as the interior surface. And hopefully I can get it on there right. I'm worried that they're so close to the same size, I might screw it up, but here we go. Okay, I think this is going on really good. There we go.
I'm just looking at your car.
Yeah, you looking at my car too?
Yeah.
How's it look?
Oh, there's more sun up there.
Yeah, there's tons of sun in the sky. Okay, well there's my update. The emblem's back on there again.
There's an old porch here, Daddy. I didn't put it right next to here.
Well, there we go. Simple sticker fix. Hope it helps.